pala.
Thank you to my Magnolia family. Of course, for this wonderful macaron from PBE Tina Barreto, Miss Russia. This is
Judy
from-
Ann Santos, double celebration para sa Mother's Day at ika-47 kaarawan. Simple pero sobrang saya ang naging selebrasyon ni Judy Ann Santos ng kanyang ika-47 kaarawan, kasabay ng Mother's Day ngayong taon. Sa isang video na ibinahagi niya sa Instagram, makikitang surrounded siya ng napakaraming cake. Iba't ibang design, iba't ibang flavor, at karamihan sa mga ito ay galing sa mga kaibigan, fans, at sponsors. With her usual calog and natural charm, tinutukoy niya isa-isa kung saan galing ang mga cake. At maririnig ang genuine niyang thank you habang napapangiti sa dami ng natanggap. Kasama ang kanyang pamilya sa simpleng handaan. Walang ingranding setup. Pero ramdam mo ang happiness and love na bumalot sa buong celebration. Walang arte, walang script. Si Juday pa rin ang down-to-earth queen ng kusina at tahanan. Marami sa mga netizens ang natuwa sa post na ito. Sabi ng ilan, wala talagang kupa si Juday. Simple lang pero punong-puno ng saya. At sa totoo lang, hindi mo naman kailangang magpakabungga para maramdaman ang pagmamahal. To Judy Ann, happy birthday and happy Mother's Day. Ikaw pa rin ang peg ng maraming nanay. Grounded, loving, and full of life.
Thank you to my Magnolia family. Of course, for this wonderful macaron from PBE Tina Barreto, Miss Russia. This is from Noel. This is from my Coco Mama family. Dr. Ivy. This is from Attorney Georgie. This is from Bygone. This is from Chef Sunny Mariano. This is from myself. This is from Mama Carms and Raven. Thank you guys! I'm so happy!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yay! This flower arrangement is made by my cousin. Ayan siya. And food from Chef Jessie and Pio's Kitchen. My favorites. So there you go. Yay!